Welcome to MyFavorito. With us, your club can make more money, attract more sponsors, and build an infinite source of revenue for a sustainable future. So follow these 10 steps to become a fan-empowered sports club. Sign up on MyFavorito.com. Click Sign Up as a Club on our website. Create your community. Log into the MyFavorito dashboard. With a few more clicks, you can set up your community. This is what your fans will see in the mobile and web app, and where you will post content and interact with your fans. Add your bank details for payouts. In order to receive payouts, you need to add your bank account details. This is a simple two-step process. First, you will create a Stripe user for your club, and then provide your bank account details. Connect with sponsors. MyFavorito is a great way to extend existing sponsorships, connect with local businesses that were unable to engage with traditional sponsorship models, and you can also connect with sponsors using the MyFavorito dashboard. The partner search function gives you access to all sponsors in the system. You can search for specific sponsors or simply browse sponsors in your local area and connect with them. Sponsors can also reach out and ask for a connection with your club. Promote your MyFavorito community. Ensure your fans know all the ways they can support their club by promoting your MyFavorito community and relevant sponsorship offers in your clubhouse and via existing social media channels. Fans redeem offers for your club. Fans can earn money for your club by redeeming sponsorship offers, by entering alphanumeric codes in the MyFavorito website, watching videos or reading news in the app, scanning QR codes, or entering words, phrases, or hashtags in the app. They select their club and redeem. Receive payouts from sponsors. At MyFavorito, our mission is to send money to sports clubs, and we make that as easy as possible. MyFavorito automates all financial processes in the background. We charge the due fees from the sponsors and pay them out to the sports clubs. One of the best features of MyFavorito is the built-in multi-purpose multi-channel loyalty system. Clubs can choose to reward their fans valuable activities, for example, attending matches, purchasing season tickets and club memberships, buying merchandise, and perhaps most importantly, spending money with fan-empowered sponsors. The MyFavorito system allows you to automatically reward fans with loyalty points every time they redeem a sponsorship offer and send money to your club. In the loyalty points per redemption section, enable Yes, users receive at least 1 loyalty point per redeemed action code, and enter the amount required to receive a loyalty point. For example, 1 point for every €1 the fan sends to your club. There are many fun and easy ways to engage and reward your fans for all types of valuable activities, like spending money with sponsors, joining your community, or attending games. Make it fun with rewards and gamification. Reward your fans' continued support with money can't buy experiences, and for fans that can't wait to redeem their loyalty points, they can try their luck with the instant prize draw. Continue connecting with sponsors, promoting your community to fans, and putting sponsorship dollars into your club. Sign up today on MyFavorito.com, get access to your details instantly, follow our easy-to-use welcome assistant, and build your community in less than 10 minutes.